In this video, I'll show you how to get or unlock unique symbols and emoticons on your Android mobile device and iOS. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm inside a message here. If I want to unlock some hidden features inside the keyboard, all what you need to do is long press on any one of these symbols here and it'll bring up more options. So if I long press on the one, like so, I can change it here like so. You can give half, quarters, thirds, etc. Same thing if I long press on the W, like so, and now you can see there's different options inside W. Same if I long click on the U, as you can see there's more options. This also works when I press on the hash down here. So if I long press on the divide button, there's no symbols, but some do, some don't. You can see there. Let's try that at symbol. No. Percentage, dollar sign has different ones. Yeah, so you get the gist of that. Another thing you can do, you can click on the emoji symbol here, the smiley face, and you can click on the classic ones here. So as you can see, you got all these different symbols. So I want to use that. Let's delete some of this stuff here. This face here, etc. If I scroll out to the top, you can click on any one of these tabs to look at more different faces or reactions, emojis, the classic style, like so.